What is the purpose of an expansion valve? Its purpose is to reduce the pressure of liquid refrigerant and control how much refrigerant enters the evaporator so the system can absorb heat properly. An expansion valve sits between the high-pressure side and the low-pressure side of an air conditioning or refrigeration system. The compressor first pushes refrigerant into a hot, high-pressure state, and the condenser removes heat from it until it becomes a high-pressure liquid. When that liquid reaches the expansion valve, the valve creates a narrow opening that causes a sudden pressure drop. Because of this pressure change, some refrigerant turns into a cold mixture of liquid and vapor. The valve then meters, or carefully controls, the amount entering the evaporator, where the refrigerant absorbs heat from indoor air or stored products. A temperature sensing part helps the valve adjust its opening as the cooling load changes. One lesser-known fact is that the valve does not mainly make the refrigerant cold by itself. The pressure drop allows the refrigerant to boil at a much lower temperature. Correct control also protects the compressor by helping prevent liquid refrigerant from returning to it. A common mistake is thinking the valve simply turns cooling on and off, but it actually adjusts refrigerant flow continuously, so testing should include pressures and temperatures. Another mistake is assuming every cooling problem means the valve is defective. A blocked filter, low refrigerant charge, or poor airflow can cause similar symptoms, so check the whole system first. A highly important warning is that incorrect valve sizing or adjustment can cause frost, weak cooling, or compressor damage, so use the manufacturer's specifications and have refrigerant work performed by a qualified technician. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.